In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in Fusion 360. If you've ever struggled to see your model clearly because the background feels too bright, too dark, or just distracting, adjusting the environment is a quick way to make your workspace more comfortable and your design easier to read. This process changes the canvas background and lighting mood, not the software's interface colors, so your tools stay familiar while your scene becomes more visually supportive. Start by moving your cursor to the bottom center of the Fusion 360 window. You'll see a small icon that looks like a computer monitor. This is the Display Settings control. Click it to open a compact menu of visual options. Think of this menu as your scene's lighting booth. It controls how the background looks and how your model is lit. Next, hover over the option labeled Environment. When you do, a list of presets appears. These are ready-made background and lighting combinations designed for different kinds of work. You can choose something like dark sky, grey room, or photo booth. Each one instantly changes the mood of your workspace and how your model stands out. Dark sky gives you a deeper, darker gradient that reduces glare and helps reduce eye strain, especially if you spend long hours modeling. It's also great when you want strong contrast to outline edges and silhouettes. Grey room is a neutral, balanced choice. It's ideal for general design work because it keeps your model readable without adding dramatic highlights or shadows. Photo booth offers a brighter, high contrast look that can make materials and forms pop, which is handy if you're evaluating surfaces or preparing quick presentation visuals. After you click a preset, you'll see the change applied immediately. If it doesn't feel right, simply return to the display settings icon, hover over environment again, and try another preset. There's no risk, switching is instant, and you can flip between options as often as you like until your model looks clear and comfortable. A quick tip, choose an environment that contrasts well with your model's colors. If your part is light gray, a darker background, like dark sky, will make edges easier to read. If your design is dark, a lighter or more neutral environment like grey room often works best. Fusion 360 typically remembers your last choice, so once you find what suits your workflow, you won't need to adjust it every session. That's all you need to change the background color and atmosphere in Fusion 360. Keep experimenting with environments to find the one that supports your design process.